Welcome to Middle School Math Course 1. This is Unit 3, Decimals, Topic 5, Dividing Decimals. Don't forget you have an activity book. If you do have it, follow along in it, and at the end of some images, you may have an activity to do. So pause the video if you find one. Now, let's learn how to divide decimals. When the divisor has a decimal, we must make it a whole number first. Step 1. Make the divisor a whole number. Our problem reads 2.88 divided by 0.12. The divisor is 0.12. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So it's no longer 0.12, it's no longer 0.12, it's now just 12. Step 2, move the decimal in the dividend. So that means we're going to move the decimal in the dividend the same number of places. 2.88 becomes 288. Now our new problem without decimals, or in this case without decimals, shows 288 divided by 12. Step 3, divide. Now divide like you normally would. This part is simple because up to this point, you know how to divide a regular problem. So let's just go with it. Now divide like you normally would. 12 goes into 28 2 times. Subtract 24. Bring down the 8. 12 goes into 48 4 times. The answer is 24. Step 4. Check your answer. Multiply the answer by the divisor. 24 times 0.12 should give you 2.88. Since it matches the original dividend, our answer is correct. Remember, make the divisor a whole number. Move both decimals the same number of places. Divide like normal. And always check your answer. Excellent job. Yes, creative learning adventurers. It's that easy. Just that easy. Excellent job. Like, comment, and subscribe. We will see you next time. Click one of the videos if you would like to see more from the channel or if you would like to go to the next lesson. Bye for now.